Hello, class. This is Mr. Hammond, and as you've been learning in science, we've been talking about predator-prey relationships, competition, symbiosis. We're going to play a game today that kind of goes over the idea of predator-prey relationship and how animals and environment interact and how populations change because of that interaction. We'll also be talking about how humans can interfere with the natural changes in population in an ecosystem. So the game's called Wolf Survival is Just a Roll Away. And you'll need the game board, which is this piece right here, and you'll need a worksheet. And you want to start out with a side that says Wolf Survival Without Human Interference. Forgive me, the camera I'm using has a hard time focusing on this stuff. So the first thing you're going to do is begin the game by giving yourself some wolves. So we're going to go ahead and start ourselves off with 3 wolves. I think that's what it said. Let me actually double check that. Strike that, folks. You get to start with a wolf pack of 10. So I'm going to put 10 down here. Okay. And then I'm going to add 3 wolves just like it says. So that's going to be a total of 13. And then I'm going to roll 2 dice. Now for this game, you need 2 normal 6-sided dice. So I'm going to roll my 2 dice. Oh, wow, double 6s. And then I'm going to look on my chart. Now, if we look at the chart, there's one that says without human interference and one that says with. My suggestion, if the teacher gives you a paper, fold it so you're only looking at the chart that you need. If you look at the wrong chart, all your stuff's going to be wrong. And I got double 6s, which says... Oh, there we go. Sorry, right here. Double 6s. It says add 1. So I get to add 1 because I got an extra pup this year. Yay! So I'll write double 6s. Extra pup. And so my total, so it's a +1. So my total is going to be 14. Now here's the part all the kids forget. When you get done with the total for the year, you get to move that back over to the beginning for the following year. There's my 14 for the following year. I add 3. It's going to give me 17. The group is growing. I roll my dice. I got 9. I look over what 9 is. Dice add up to 9. No change. Pack lives well. So for that, I write pack lives well. I got a 4 and a 5. And there's no change, so they just remain at 17. So far, so good. So I bring that back over again for the following year, 17. I add 3 more. I'm at 20. I roll my dice. Oh, that got away from me. I got a 2 and a 3. Which means 2 and a 3 add up to 5. So dice add up to 5. Make no change. Pack lives well. So pack lives well. That means I get 20. And this continues on and on. You keep taking your numbers from here, putting over for the next year, adding 3. Other things are going to happen during this. So there's some good things that can happen and some bad things. When you're all done filling this out, and you're going to go for a total of 15 years, you move down to the graph at the bottom, okay? Now this graph is going to show the 15 years of your wolf pack. This is the year on the x-axis, and on the y-axis over here, we have the number of wolves, okay? So let me focus this in again here. There we go. In year 1, I'll just tell you I start out with 10, so I'm going to write down 10. And then I added 3, so that the total for year at the end of year 1 was 14. So that's what I'm going to put a dot on 14. Now I'm going to look at year 2. At year 2's end, I had 17. So, well, this is weird. Year 2, I've got 18 and 16, so it's got to be in between there, 17. So I'm going to put the dot right in the middle. For year 3, 20. That's easy. and so on and so forth. When you're done, you're going to be able to connect all of your dots and see changes in your wolf's population. That's how the game's played. Now, once you're done doing the one with human intervention or interference, without human interference, sorry, I cannot speak today, you flip over the page, and now you're going to do the whole thing again, but with human interference. And for that, you need to look at the bottom part of the game board. And it will have with human interference. And it's slightly different. When we're all done, we'll talk as a group and kind of discover what we learned. And hopefully you'll have some fun as you do it. So that's how you basically play the game. Wolf survival is just to roll away. Good luck. If you have questions, go see your teacher, and we'll try to help you as best we can. Thanks for watching.